Day number 2. The actual mountain creek is flowing. Lots of rain lately. And thunderstorm's supposed to come in. Okay, so lightning just cracked right near me. That means they're gonna shut the lift down. I guarantee it. Wow. God, I almost went to the woods. I don't think I've ever gone that far on that step up. Good thing. That's a good problem to have. Oh, wow. Crazy mud. Oh, bug in the mouth. Oh yeah, man, I can't ride the flow trails here for shit. Oh, look at that fucking side. Oh, I saw that on Skills with Phil's video, that new little side hit. Gotta remember that. Now they clear that. That's a nutty gap right there. Oh man, I had a feeling when I looked up and saw it stopped when I heard the thunder. Yep. Couple lightning bolts and they shut down the lifts. I got one shitty warm-up run on a green trail. That's my day. Yay. So, Joe and I waited out the rain, and look, it's gonna be muddy, but the sun's out, and as you can see, just a few people here. Yeehaw. We're gonna see if this is any good. Oh, we're gonna have some crazy mud. Oh, ooh, mud. Whoa! Flatter.
Oh. One part it was a little muddy. Wasn't expecting it.
Mud. Oh, holy shit. Oh, this was my second time down, so I knew not to do it.
Really? It's the first time we're running here, right?
Good thing you looked up.
You know why?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I can't. Oh yeah! I never fucking did that before. We're gonna try some twist out. We don't know if it's gonna be too wet or what, but we'll see. Whoa, I just went down a line I never went on that.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you too.
I did not like that.
Yeah, that's not, this ain't doing too good. At least we weren't gonna know if we didn't. Oh shit! What? I just went up high in the berm and slid down it into the trough. Whoever's watching this, you can see we're going fucking slow because it just downpoured and it's a little hectic. Whoa.
This is so janky.
I know.
Oh shit.
Oh. I'm gonna chill out for a second and enjoy the nature. Oh, what are those two berms? What trail is that?
I'm taking a little bit of high speed construction. I don't even have it.
Oh, look at the river. Oh my God. Woo! That was whoa. Oh, look at that gap right there. Whoa. Dude, some of this shit is sketchy when it's wet. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh, covered in mud. My ass is covered.
Dude, that was muddy.
Alright, let's see if I can get into you, okay? As I said in the last video, I absolutely suck on this trail. Heads up to shout out to Kevin from East Coast Jaw for reminding me to watch my exits. Whoa! Mountain biking's fun.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Ready? Are we
Coaching
filming?
me and encouraging me.
Filming for real?
Yeah, we're running and the lens is wiped.
All right.
Salvation. Holy crap. Oh my God. That was fucking blew that. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo.
I'm only going fast once we get to that.
Whatever, I'm
I'm just feeling for this.
Oh. Fucking pants are falling down. Yeah, doggy. Oh, God. Oh. I can't believe they go race speed down that. Huh? Do you want to not go back down Frog Pond?
I'm going really slow though.
All right.
I'm just warning you. This is so fucked up right here. If you don't blast that.
I know. Different line that time. Oh, God almighty. Oh, I can feel all the mud slapping my ass. I can feel giant chunks of mud slapping my fucking balls.
I feel like I would have. Jump. You gotta brake check that jump.
All right, we're gonna try to do Outlaw to get down to Waterboy.
Right.
We don't know what Waterboy's looking like, and we don't know what Outlaw looks like, but we're about to find out. Are there people that clear that? I guess so. Oh, I want that gap right there. Ah, splash. It's rolling. We are gonna finally get into Waterboy. I'm wondering how the trail looks today. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. Yes. Oh, did my camera just go off? It's the birds. Huh. Oh, I never put the outside line here. Whoa. Haha. Oh, yeah. Gnarly. Woohoo! Wow. Damn, dude. I always wanted to hit that. Got some mud on the rotor. Oh! Yeah, boy. I can't believe I can consistently do that now.
I think back what I just did to my foot.
What? What happened? You know what I'm getting?
I lowered my low speed compression by too much.
Oh my goodness. Ah, it's so fun. Riding bikes is fun, guys.
Yep, could be worse things to do.
Oh man.
I was like yelling at Chelsea and she got us some random.
Yeah, so go for it.
Alright.
Alright, following Joe down Lower Ripeye. Slow my ass. My foot just came off the pedal. Holy shit. My foot's still not quite back on the pedal. I don't have the guts for this. I'm a pussy for that drop.